this is Lovely here again with you guys with another recipe. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how to air fry some chicken nuggets. Yes, this is oil-free chicken nuggets. So let me show you guys the ingredients that I use for this chicken nugget recipe. I already pre-cutted the chicken nuggets into pieces. I use this pink Himalayan salt, this chicken seasoning from Chef Manito's The Bomb, also these salt-free seasonings, and I use nutritional yeast, garlic powder, black pepper, and some yellow mustard. I did squeeze an entire lemon into here, and of course my ultimate favorite, Worcestershire sauce. So there you have it. Once you have everything in there, then you want an egg, and you want to crack the egg in here. There you go, just like that. Then you want to move everything around. And you want the egg in here for protein, and you also want the egg in here so it can hold with the almond flour that I will be using as the exterior coating for the chicken nuggets. So these are like the pieces that I have for the chicken nuggets. And that's what it looks like when it's all mixed up together. Now that we officially have the chicken ready for the chicken nuggets marinated, now we have to go and marinate the almond flour. This is the almond flour that I use. I also use these to make my 90-second bread. If you haven't checked out that recipe, go check it out. So the same seasonings that I put in my chicken, I put it in my flour. Now I just mix it up. The only thing I don't add here is the Worcestershire sauce and the mustard. Those are, you do not add wet things here, and the egg. Just the dry seasoning salt, or salt-free salt. Salt-free seasonings. So you just only add the salt-free seasonings or the seasonings that I pretty much showed you guys. Just add them here to your flour. There you have a nice coat. This will make the flavor pop on your coat, so you will not just get the seasoning from the chicken, but also the seasoning on the actual covering of the almond flour. This is the coating bread for the chicken nuggets. Then you're gonna go to a picture that has the chicken, and it has 20 minutes. I'm gonna add 30, or I'll add 40 minutes. Out. Whoa, look at that. Tried this sauce for the first time. It's a sugar-free sauce, and I sort of dipped my finger in it already, and it tastes like chamoy. If you never had chamoy or the squinklet, it tastes like that, literally. Yeah, that's what it tastes like, chamoy, straight up. This right here, this G-Huge honey mustard tastes like chamoy, you guys. It's legit. I mean, I had some other stuff that is sugar-free and it's just disgusting, you know? But this is good. It's just doable. Yes. Sugar-free. Okay. I have this 100-calorie guacamole that I got from Aldi's. You can make your own. And you can use it for keto with these chicken nuggets that I just made. Pretty good. Try this recipe, you guys. You cannot go bad. If you were willing to try some KFC, Popeyes, bullshit ass chicken recipe, because all the fat it has and the hormones that the chicken has, just make your own, you guys. There's nothing better than just making your own. This is keto friendly right here. Bomb. Alright, you guys. Well, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, weight does not equal worth, and you are worthy of yourself. Love and care for yourself. And always remember to eat as earthly as possible. That means anything that comes from the earth, not from a bag that is processed. Let's try to get away from bad habits, you guys. And